my name is Magda, and today I'm going to show you how to make centerpieces for an 80th birthday. When it's time to celebrate 80th birthday, it's a very happy celebration. So we're gonna create something very light, very fresh, and very simple, and you're gonna enjoy it a lot. We're gonna use 3 fish bowls, small. We're gonna use a small cylinder. We are going to use white flowers. We're going to use blue potpourri, and also we are going to use blue and green marbles. The first things we are going to do is going to be, we're going to place the 3 fish bowl in the front of the table, and behind we're going to place the cylinder. After that, we are going to place the potpourri inside the cylinder. And after that, we are going to place the white flowers on the top of the potpourri. After that, we are going to place the marbles inside the fish bowl in each one. And then you're going to place 1 flower in each fish bowl. And you're going to see that it's going to look very fresh and very elegant.